friendly bird is here again. I wish I have a big camera or a sophisticated camera so I can see the color of this tiny bird. Wow, she's coming near me. Yes, what do you need, birdie? What do you want? What do you need? You like me to be your friend? Huh? Yeah, you're going to build a nest? Yeah, I can see what's in your bill. You're trying to build a nest here. You're welcome. Yeah, you're going to lay some eggs. Where's your partner? Oh, look, what's in her bill? Huh? Yeah. It's gathering some, grass for their nest.